So in this chapter, you are going to learn how to create your Facebook page. Now, I'm going to help you understand that there are two type of different pages as we move forward. But I want to show you whenever someone is going to see your ad on Facebook, they will be seeing two things. Number one, your business page name and your profile. So one thing we understand, whenever someone see the ad, the two most important things are Facebook business page name and the profile. So we are going to put more focus on giving right name to a business page and right profile picture. Okay. Now, how to create new Facebook page? In the left section of your screen, you will be finding pages option. If you don't find in the first 3 or 5 option, you need to click on the see more and you need to search for the pages option. Once you find that, you need to simply click on pages. When you do that, if you already have Facebook page into your account, you will be seeing these pages in this particular section. But if you don't have any page, you will not be seeing a single page option in this particular section. But if you see, there are two pages with updated pages and one page with classic page. Now, what is the difference between both this? Now, what is the difference between classic page and updated page? See, the classic page is an old page type where you are going to use this page as a page alone. But in the classic page, when you select on this page, okay, this is my updated page, not a classic page. I'm so sorry, this is an updated page. But when you select or try to open your updated page, it will ask you to use this page as a Facebook account profile. I'm going to click on get started. And if you can see, the profile has been changed to Skill Nation online page. Now let me go on facebook.com, and if you see, we are using facebook.com with Facebook business page name, not with my personal account, which is Parmar Navin. So this is the major difference between classic page and updated page. Navin, which is the good Facebook page type, or what type of page I should create? See, if you create new Facebook page, you will create new experience Facebook page. You will not be able to create classic page. Okay, and there is not a much difference between both of this, and we just need to have few things on our Facebook page, and we need to connect Instagram account, and that's it. We don't need Facebook page apart from that. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to switch the profile once again to my personal profile, and make sure you switch your profile and then you go into page section, and then you create your new page if you don't have any page, or you want to use the new page to run your ads. We are going to click on new page, and one thing which I want to make very clear is, you are not going to create Facebook page with exact same name you have already of your old page. So I'm not going to create a name, or I will not be able to create a page with the name of Skill Nation Online, Navin Parmar, or Skill Nation Media. I will see different type of errors, or I will not be able to create the pages successfully if I try to create with this name. So Navin, what should I do if I want to create a name with the exact same name which I have in my old Facebook page? Simple, change the name of your old Facebook page. Once you do that, now we are going to create new Facebook page. How to do that? You simply need to click on this button, which is create new page. When you click on that, it will be asking you three questions: page name, category, bio. Now page name is very important. Category is to some extent it is important, but bio is not at all important. Okay, so whenever, as I have shown you, whenever you are going to run ads, people will see your profile and your page name. Okay, so we will be having a very right name, accurate name. If you are running ads for yourself and you want to use your own name, you can do that as well. If you want to use your business name, you can do that as well. Okay, so for example, we are going to create new Facebook page with the different name. See, I cannot create Facebook page with the name of Navin Parmar, so I will be creating different page. I will be creating page with different name, Navin Parmar new page, just so you can help with different name, so you can understand that how to create a page. This is my personal name, Navin Parmar new page, and then I'm going to select the category. Now in category, you can select only 3 category, not more than that. Okay, so whichever category you find relevant, you can select that category. Don't invest too much of time in thinking and figuring out. It is not that important, and so I'm not going to ask you to think too much about this. Simply select, search about your business type, e-commerce, lead generation, real estate, marketing agency, whatever is relevant, just select that. Okay. If I want to show you, I'm going to select the 3 options, and I can only select 3 options, not more than that. Okay. So I'm going to select, I'm just selecting randomly anything. And if I try to select one more option apart from this 3, I will not be able to do that. So you just need to select 3 options. Now, bio is optional, and I want you to keep this optional. Don't waste your time. But if you still want to have a bio for your Facebook page, you can write bio like this, where you have 2 to 3 pointers. You can explain about you or your business, and that's it. Okay. This is my personal profile, which I use to run my ads. If you can see the bio, it's very simple. I run more than 200, 300 ads from this particular page. So if you see, if I have this small bio, it's absolutely okay. Don't waste your time on this. Once you do that, you are going to click on create page. Okay. Once you click on create page, you are going to wait for 1 minute 30 second, 10 second, 1 minute 30 second, 10 second. Now, once you see this Facebook page is created, it will be asking you for more information, and I want you to add few informations which are very, very important. Your website. If you have a website, and I'm going to recommend you to have a website or landing page, you need to enter the URL of that website. For me, it is navinparmar.in. Okay. Now, phone number is optional. If you don't want to add, don't add, right? But if you want people to reach out to you, then you can add the number. Email is mandatory. I want you to add email, because if you are not giving phone number support, at least give email support to your prospects or customers. Okay. So for me, it will be naveen@skillnation.in. Just a random email. Not a random email, it's an actual email, but yeah, this is the email which I want to use. Now, location is very subjective. If you have a physical store, I want you to use this, but if you don't have, then you don't need to enter any location details. Okay. Now, hours is very, very important. Now, I want you to select this third option, which is open at selected hours, and select the opening and closing time on specific days. Okay. Select the right time of opening and right type of closing, and click on save. This is very, very important, because see, whenever people going to reach out to you, they might see that if your business is open or not. And for example, someone is reaching out to you at 3 a.m. and abusing you on the email and saying that you are not replying. You can tell them that we were not working or operating in this hours, and that is the reason it took us time, 3 hours or 4 hours, to reply to your email. Now, I have faced this issue for multiple businesses, and that is the reason I'm asking you to select the hours. Okay. Once you do that, you simply need to click on save, and then you need to click on next. When you click on next, it is going to ask you to upload profile picture and cover photo. Now, see, as a human, okay, as a customer, whenever I'm going to see the ad, okay, I'm going to scroll down. For example, I am seeing this ad. If I want to buy this product or service, do you think I'm going to click on this? It's very rare for people to click on this. Okay. They just see this profile picture and name, and that's it. But few people do click. Sometimes they do click. When I click on this, okay, I'm going to see the cover page, and I'm going to see the profile picture and a messenger option. So one thing which I want to tell you is profile picture is very, very important. And what is the size which you are going to go for your profile? Your size for profile picture will be 1080 into 1080 pixel. Create that logo or your personal profile, make it look like a professional, because I want you to do that. And click on this add profile picture, and simply upload this from your desktop or MacBook or laptop. Then click on open and done. It will be selecting it. And same for cover photo. Now, cover photo is not that important. If you see my cover photo, it is just an image of the entire earth. I want you to have a simple, and don't waste your time on having or selecting the right cover photo. Select any image from the internet which you find is relevant for your business, and just keep that image. Okay. If you want to have your multiple product images in your cover photo, select that, but don't waste your time, because that is not important. What is more important is a profile business name and a profile picture. You see this? So that is where I want you to put more focus and selecting the right business Facebook page profile name and Facebook profile, which is a profile picture. Once that is done, simply click on add action button. I want every one of you to have this and do this on your Facebook page. Add action button, and you can select the right action button for your Facebook page. You are going to click on try it, and then you are going to select the right action button on your profile. If you come on my profile, you see this message button. This is what I have selected. Now you can have your website button, shop button, order button, ticket button, whatever you want to. Automatically it will be selected as send message. But you can have a WhatsApp message, call, email. Naveen, what do you suggest? I will suggest you to go for a shop or for send messages. Okay, if you are a lead generation based business, you can go for book now, right? Once you select that, now we are going to give send messages, then you can do next, and then you can click on save. Now this is the exact same thing which you will be finding on my personal page, which I use to run my ads, and that is what we have selected. Then you are going to click on next. You can add and connect your WhatsApp to page. I don't want you to do it right now. You can do it later on, and I will be showing you in the next chapter. But right now, don't do it, and it is not that important. We are going to click on skip, and then we are going to click on next. And if you want to keep the page notification on, you can do that. Marketing promotional emails, if you want that, you can keep that, and you can click on done. And when you do all the steps, you will be able to create your Facebook page. Now it will be asking you to take a tour. Just simply click on next. Now what I want you to do is, once you have your Facebook page ready, I want you to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page.